Hi, I'm Jojo, and welcome to The Week That Was. This week, a special 60-second-ish dedication to some of the amazing role models of SJIIES. Your care, encouragement, gentleness, and spirit makes us happier and happier by the minute. Your greetings and smiles, as bright as the sun, help every day to be much more fun. Your love and commitment to keep us in shape makes you seem more like heroes who often wear capes. Here's to the wise, the just, and the kind. Here's to the strongest of heart and of mind. Here's to the joyful, creative, and fair. Here's to the people who will always be there. Patient and friendly, loyal and true, our thanks to you all for all that you do. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Jojo, and we'll see you again next time.